guys, I'm starting off this project with a Margarita Cup. I'm gonna keep that aside for now. And then I took a large ornament ball that I got from Hobby Lobby that comes in a set, and I'll be removing this part and the part at the top using a soldering iron. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now that I've taken off these parts, the next thing I'm going to do is glue on the Margarita Cup together with a large ornament ball. I kept it in place with a hot glue gun and then went round with a strong adhesive, and I'm using an E6000 glue. I got these coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree and they come in a set of 4, but I'll be using just one. I will be removing the bottom part and the handle. When I was done with that, I glued it at the top. Now it was looking a little bit too high for me, so I cut off some of the cup just a little bit with a soldering iron. And the final piece to complete the height of the vase, I'm going to be using these plastic bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree also, and I'll be removing the bottom part. I glued that at the top, and now I'm going to be taking another Christmas ornament ball, but the smaller one, and I will be cutting it into smaller pieces of equal sizes. I had to make sure that the pieces look the same to give it a more uniform look at the end. Because I want the color of the vase that I'm making to be all silver, I'm going to be using this silver Rust-Oleum spray paint with an aluminium shine and spray painting all of the pieces silver. I'm going to be gluing on these pieces to the Margarita Cup, but first I will take off the pointed tips. This is to make the pieces lean properly to the curved nature of the cup. I will continue this pattern till I get to the end. At the top part here, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I wanted the pieces to be glued like this at first, but it was going to look like a ball at the top, and I didn't want that. So I decided later to just change it by gluing it in a different way by turning it to the other side. As I was doing this, it kind of started looking like a pineapple, and so I just left it that way and kept going. After I completed the whole of this part, this is what it looks like, and I'm loving the look already. At all of the meeting points, I used a strong adhesive to make sure that all of the pieces remain strong and sturdy. I want to make a second line, but instead of using these pieces, I'm going to be using the clear one instead, just to give it a little bit of contrast. And I didn't have silver, all I had was gold, so I'm going to be cutting it into the equal sizes of the other ones and then spray painting them silver also. I cut off the tips also, just to make it look like the other ones. As I was gluing on the second set of pieces, I made sure to glue them in between the pieces at the top. As I went on, I realized I shouldn't have cut the tips that were at the top, but this is what it looks like. But I will be going on later and give them pointed tips to make them look more like leaves. If you see inside the vase, there's a very deep allowance for flowers. Now right here, I'm going to be covering the parts here that are exposed with gems. I'll be using 3 little gems for all of them. This is what the part of the vase looks like with all of the gems. And now to give this top part here pointed tips, I'm going to be using gems. Like I said before, it was an error on my part to cut off the tips, but then this method of using the gems to create a tip-like look will work just fine. This is the final piece of gem to complete my design, and yay! I have my lovely, cute pineapple looking vase. Now for the bottom, you can use 2 picture frames of your choice, but it has to be something small. And remove the glass and wrap it with mirror reflective paper. This is just going to give it a nice and reflective surface. So I did this for 1 of the picture frames because I'm going to be using 2 of the picture frames. And then I replaced it inside and glued it with the other picture frame together using a strong adhesive. I had to push back these parts of the frame to give more room for the vase. You can glue it on. Now this is if you want to have a base. There's another option for a base, and you can use a gift box lid, a strong gift box lid, and wrap the sides with bling wrap, and then take a mirror and glue it at the top. And now I can glue both the vase and the bottom together. But I don't really want a base under mine. I just left it the way it is. And it's so pretty even on its own. It is so interesting to know that a Margarita Cup, a large Christmas ornament ball, a coffee mug, a bowl, and ornaments can give me this beautiful pineapple looking vase. I tried different kinds of flowers inside this lovely vase, and for some reason the vase looks so pretty that I feel like it should just be on its own. I hope you enjoy the concept of making this pineapple vase, and happy holidays to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.